Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sequin and exclusive. Right here we have Luna. Luna is fucking 54% up today, okay? 50 fucking percent up. So we have some predictions in here. Okay, let me just show you. As you can see, we had a big ass predictions, but never actually mitigated this. But we had them confirmations, okay? We had that breaker structure and all that, and this thing just flew. So from here, or from the daily time frame, we can see that where we are at the moment, we are in a supply, right? We are in a supply. So what happens in a supply? There is a big sell off, all right? A lot of people are going to cash out. Just keep that in mind. So also the value of this may also fall. So I'm just going to mark this up just like that. We're going to see how this is going to turn out, but I believe like from here on we may just follow a little bit, all right? Just like that. So have a wonderful day. We'll keep you guys updated and peace out.